Hello, with Ian Emmanuel and Ryan, and I are going to show you how to solder on a graphic card in 10 steps. Step 1. We need tin, soldering iron, sponge, small pliers, screwdriver, and desoldering blade. Step 2. Heat the soldering iron to 30 degrees, clean the tip to remove oxidation. Step 3. Add a drop of tin to improve heat conduction. Step 4. Prepare the component. Bend the legs if necessary, paying attention to polarity, especially for leads. Step 5. Insert the component. Place the legs in the hole, then make sure it is firmly pressed against the board.
So they carry on. Step 6. Heat the soldering iron and apply glue so that the solder balls become shinier. Step 7. Remove the excess solder by tightening the board at 19-degree angle. Step 8. Remove the iron quickly with wood. Move the pads that are already soldered. Let it cool for 2 and 3 seconds. Step 9. Clean the board with a specially cleaner product to remove the excess fluid. Step 10. Inspect the area under a microscope to make sure there are no short circuits. Thanks for watching the video. It was Ryan and Ian. Subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Goodbye.